What is going on, guys? Raph here, and I've got some really exciting news. I'm really stoked because it's finally here. I have new equipment to unbox, and you're probably wondering, what the heck, Raph? You already have all the cameras in the world. Why the heck do you need another camera? Well, this one's for me. So I, of course, am shooting with the R6 for photos. I've been shooting with the Panasonic GH6 for videos, but now I have this guy. Boom. It's a Fujifilm camera, so now I'm a Fuji guy. So what camera is it specifically? Well, it's going to be the Fujifilm X100V. Yep, that's right, I got an X100V. For you guys still waiting, my apologies, but I'm really stoked that I finally got this camera. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys and explain to you why I had jumped over to get this camera in particular. So, you know, I've been shooting for 10 plus years. I started with a Canon Rebel T1i, and yeah, I mean, I did a lot of street photography back in the day. Now I'm actually doing it for career work off to the side, doing photos and video work outside of the store. And you know, I wanted to get back to shooting just, you know, street stuff. I found it kind of cumbersome to carry the R6, even the GH6 as well too, even though the Micro Four Thirds systems is rather small and compact. But now that I have this bad boy here, it's gonna make life so much easier and so much sweeter. Okay, pretty straightforward what you get inside the box. You got all your booklets, instructions, blah blah blah. Can't forget the battery. This thing is on there good. What the heck? Just give me the battery, please. I want to play with my camera. Okay. Keep the box in mint condition, just in case. I'm not going to sell this camera, by the way. I plan to keep this. This one's a keeper. I'm going to keep this camera till I am old and gray. Okay, so let's check out the camera system. Give you guys a little bit more details and deets on the specifications. I got the black version because it's just nice and clean. If you look at it, oof, man, that is a beautiful camera. It is super duper small. Holy cow. What the heck? I like the tactileness of Fujifilm systems. If you look at it, I mean, everything's all dials. You have your exposure here, and then you have your shutter, I believe. Yeah, your shutter mode, ISO right here. And of course, you control your aperture with the dial right here. It's an f2 lens. It's a fixed lens, just to give you a heads up. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna perform very well in low light situations. What else? It's a 26.1 megapixel camera system. It's APS-C, but don't let the APS-C fool you. This thing packs a wallop. And unlike the X100F, this camera system now shoots 4K, and with the recent firmware update they released this summer, you can actually do videos now. This actually has built-in ND filter, guys. This has ND filters. That's so cool. So, you know, if I need to shoot in f2, I can go ahead and flip that ND filter to basically have that separation of depth of field and not blow out my shots pretty much. So, wow. I am so stoked to have this camera, guys. I can't can't wait to shoot around on the streets with it. You know, it's gonna be my side piece, but regardless, it's still a really powerful system. I plan to get some really cool images with it here, especially in town in Vegas and wherever I travel. So now I have a wedding coming up from one of my best friends, and I'm planning to shoot with it at the wedding for some candid B-roll stuff behind the scenes. And yeah, I gotta charge this camera. I'm gonna go ahead and start shooting tonight. If you guys want to catch a video of me shooting, or if you guys want to see the results of the imagery, you want me to do a comprehensive review, I'm gonna be playing around with this bad boy for the next couple of days. But if you guys want that, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys want to know. Be sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe as well too. Of course, I'm Raph. I'm gonna go charge this camera. I'm gonna have some fun. So, see you guys. Woo!